December season to go. Ganito ang weather namin dito guys sa Aklan. Always raining. So every morning when you wake up, it's raining. Every night while you are sleeping and dreaming, it's raining. It's nice. Look at my garden. I haven't finished doing. It's been 2026. Always raining, raining. Ang dragon fruit, naliligo sa rain. Raining, raining. And may flood na guys. May baha na. Bumabaha na ang aming front yards. Always like this. Until the back. It's always raining. Raining. Pero happy yung mga plants kasi may rain. But it sounds so good guys. Hearing the raindrops. I love it. Actually, I'm thinking to take shower in the rain, but I know my mom will get mad. At my age, yes. It's always scolding me, getting wet. Like yesterday, like the other day. Always here in the water. But I cannot help myself, guys. I like it. Standing in the rain. Standing in the rain. Ang sarap guys. Buti pa siya nakapag-shower na. Happy na mga plants kasi may water pero but it's too much. Oh, I've been here for almost a week in the province and it's always like this every day. This is what my doing. I haven't finished this one trimming. See?